Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's episode, we will learn about the extraordinary death of Sayyidina Suleiman alayhi salam. In Syria, the place where the tent of Sayyidina Musa alayhi salam was erected, Sayyidina Daud alayhi salam laid the foundation of Baitul Muqaddas. But before the completion of the building, the worldly life of Sayyidina Daud alayhi salam came to an end. Sayyidina Dawood alayhi salam bequeathed his son Sayyidina Suleiman alayhi salam for the completion of this building. Therefore, Sayyidina Suleiman alayhi salam deployed a group of jinns and assigned them to complete the construction. The construction work remained in progress for a long time. During this construction period, the final hour of the worldly life of Sayyidina Suleiman alayhi salam reached, and the construction was not yet complete. So Sayyidina Suleiman alayhi salam supplicated to Allah, "O Almighty, don't let my demise be revealed upon jinns so that they remain constructing the building and their claim of being knowledgeable of the unseen may be refuted as well." After invoking this supplication, Sayyidina Suleiman alayhi salam entered in the ark, and as per the normal routine, he stood for worship with the support of his staff and passed away in the same posture. But the jinn laborers presumed that Sayyidina Suleiman alayhi salam was standing alive, and they continued working. Sayyidina Suleiman alayhi salam being in such posture for a long time was not an unusual thing for jinns, as they had seen him praying several times for consecutive 1 month and sometimes for consecutive 2 months. Ultimately, he remained in the standing posture with the support of his staff for 1 year. At last, by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, his staff was eaten by the termites and his body came to the ground with the fall of the staff. At that time, his demise revealed to jinns and the people around. Allah has mentioned this event in the Holy Quran in the following words. So when we sent the command of death towards him, jinns were not informed about his death, except the termite of the earth, which was eating his staff. And when he came down on the ground, the truth about the jinns was exposed. If they had known the unseen, they would not have remained in the disgraceful punishment.